Hey everyone, Cjohns Gaming here, and welcome back to another episode of Cjohns Food Reviews. If you can't tell, I'm actually in a new location, at least for the time being. I might post a vlog about that sometime, I don't know. But, today we're actually going back with a classic. We have another banquet meal, and today we have the Banquet Mega Meats original crispy chicken with thigh and drumstick with mashed potatoes. So, if you guys don't know, I did a Salisbury steak review as my second episode. You can check it in the playlist. It's on my channel. So today we're going to be doing the chicken one, and I'm going to be showing you the cooking process. One moment. Okay guys, so here is the box. It's kind of hard to open this stuff. Ow. You know. Okay. There. Okay, so looks like we have the thigh, the drumstick, and the mashed potatoes. So, okay, so micro oven. Remove film over chicken, cook on high iron for 5 minutes. Alright? Okay, the film is off the chicken. So, let me just put this over there. And open up the microwave. The wave, so it's right there. Sit over for 5 minutes. Sorry about that. And now we wait 5 minutes before we continue with the meal. So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. See ya. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. So now we're gonna take the stuff out and that already smells good. So the instruction we got: stir potatoes, cook for 3.5 minutes. I'll go 3.5 just to be safe. Right. Alright. Here. Okay. And okay. Well, I'm just gonna take this off. And now we put it back in. One. Another 3.5 minutes. We're gonna wait a little longer, and then the meal should finally be complete. You guys have a couple minutes. Okay, so the stuff just got done. So, whew. Oh man, that's hot. Okay. And here is a result. Here is the chicken right there. Okay. And right here are the mashed potatoes. Potatoes. Hold on. Alright. We're gonna go to the proper area to eat this, but I think the potatoes need something. One moment. Alright guys, we're not at the eating portion of the video, but if you hear me laughing in the background, that's actually my brother, my brother, J. He actually makes pretty good music on his YouTube channel. You should go check him out.
Edit that out. All of that.
Dude, I'm trying to promote your channel, dude. But anyways, here is the meal. I added a little cream to the mashed potatoes. So we're actually gonna start with the mashed potatoes first. And
Here comes the airplane.
dude, come on.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Okay. The potatoes are actually pretty good. I actually the potatoes I had last time, I think with the Salisbury steak meal. You know, I don't think they were as good as these. Anyway. And now, time for the chicken. For the sake of this, we're gonna go with the drumstick. Huh?
Tasty.
Well, I mean, the chicken's not bad. I wish there was like a little bit more breading with a tiny bit of seasoning on it. But I mean, it's a microwavable meal. You take what you can get. Alright, well, the chicken I'll have to give a 6 out of 10. 10. Not good, but also not that bad. The potatoes, I have to give a 7 out of 10. And 8 out of 10 if you add into it like butter and sour cream or gravy, maybe. I mean, your preference. I don't know. That's gonna have to do it for today's episode of Cjohnsfoods food review. It was banquet mega meals, original crispy chicken dinner. If you enjoyed this episode, remember to like and subscribe. And as I said before, go check out this goofball channel. Check out this goofball channel right here. My brother, J, the music artist. And expect a special collaboration between the two of us very soon.
George. Swing from the jungle.
Oh no. This has been Cjohn gaming on Cjohnsfoods Food Reviews.
Subscribe.
See you all on the next bite. Game on, my gamers. Game on.